So good morning everyone. Welcome to the class on business statistics. And in this class we have planned to do first the median. But before I talk about the median and we try to understand median, before that let's try to do a quick recap of basic concepts on arithmetic mean and the doubts what you have. So whenever we talk about mean calculation, if you have a raw data, if you have a raw data, then basically your mean is nothing but it is the sum of data divided by the number of data. While if you have a class interval with frequency, if you have data with class interval with frequency, if you have a data having class interval with frequency, then the mean formula is, then whenever we talk about mean, 1 minute. So then whenever we talk about mean, then the formula of mean is summation of fx by divide by summation of f. So these two things are basically you need to remember whenever we talk about business statistics. So in business statistics, whenever we are talking about mean, and that mean what I'm talking about is basically arithmetic mean. Mean can be arithmetic mean, it can be geometric mean, it can be harmonic mean. So right now I'm talking about arithmetic mean. This is a formula for that. Okay, so let do couple of questions where possibly you can have a doubt. So let's do this question number 15 where you have to determine this missing frequency, and the mean of the given data is given to you 50. The mean of the distribution is 50 and you have to find the missing frequency. So you can see this question. If you see this question, in this question, if you see the data is given like this, marks, then it is given like this, 0 to 20, then 20 to 40, then 40 to 60, then 60 to 80. So then 200, then you have 80 to 100, then you have 80 to 100. So then frequency, if you see frequency 7, frequency 7, this is unknown, which you have to determine. Suppose that is A, then you have 20, then you have 20, and then you have 15, then you have 13, and then you have 10. So these are the for you. Okay, so this is given to you, and when the sum of data is not given. Okay, sum of data is not given, mean is given to you 50. So what I can do, I can do the sum of this. So the sum of this, I can find the sum of a frequency. So the sum of frequency, if you do, you will get this is 20, this is 30, this is 50, 50 plus A. So the sum of frequency you will get is 50 plus A. The sum of frequency you got is 50 plus A. Then you can find the midpoint. Midpoint is 10, then 30, then 50, then 70, and then 90. Okay, then you can multiply f into x, so you'll get 70. This is 30a, this is 70, this is 30a, this is 1000, this is 1000, then this is 910, and this is 900. So you can then the sum of fx, you can determine sum of fx, you can determine as this is 1000 plus 900, 910 plus 900 is 1810, 1810. Okay, so this is 1810 plus 70, 1810 plus 70, 1880, 1880 plus 1000, 2880, 2880 plus 38. So this will get as a sum of fx. So this will get as the sum of fx, 2880 plus 38. Correct, right? This you will get as a sum of fx. So now once you get this as sum of fx, then you can find the mean formula. Mean formula is sum of fx by sum of f. Mean is given to you. How much the mean is given to you? Mean is given to you is 50. So the mean is given to you is 50. 50 is equal to 2880 plus 30a divided by sum of fx, which is 50 plus a. If you do cross multiply, you will get 2500 plus 50a is equal to 2880 plus 30a. So you can say 20a is equal to 380. So the a value is 90. That is the answer. Okay, everyone. So I hope you understood this. Fine. See, guys, if you see this kind of question, like question number 14, this kind of question, you'll make mistake. Those who not very good with maths, they will make mistake in this kind of question. So please understand this. An aeroplane flies from A to B at the rate of 500 kilometer per hour and come back to from B to A at the rate of 700 kilometer per hour. What is the average speed of aeroplane? So here understand that when I'm asking you the average speed here, when I'm asking you the average speed, then for the average speed, the formula what you need to use is the total distance covered. The formula you need to use is the total distance covered by the total time taken. So that is the formula what you need to use. So that is total distance covered by the total time taken. Okay, so this is the formula of average speed. So here the distance is not given, neither the time is given, only the speed is given. Okay, so the shortcut formula for this kind of situation is 2ab by a plus b. So that is a shortcut formula to find the average speed when the distance is same, because in both the case the aeroplanes covering the same distance 2 into 500 into 700 divided by 5 plus 700. So the average speed if you want to find, that is 2 into 5 700 divided by 1200. So this will give you 600. Okay, so this is 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 into 700 means this would be 3500 by 6. 3500 by is how much? 35006 is would be 583.33. So that is your average speed. So this is a shortcut formula. This formula, those people can understand, those who are good in maths. Other people, for them, will do step by step. Okay, so you should know that the whenever you say average speed is total distance covered by total time taken. So let the distance is x kilometer. Let the distance is x kilometer. The aeroplane is going at 500 kilometer per hour. The aeroplane is going at 500 per hour. So the time what the aeroplane took for going is x by 500 hour. I think everyone knows the formula. I think that you know the formula that distance is equal to speed into time. You don't know this formula. Distance is equal to speed into time. So the time for going is for x by 500 hour. While coming back, this is going at 700 kilometer per hour. So the time for going, is x by 700 hour. Okay, so with this, the time for going is 500 kilometer per hour, and the time of coming is 700 kilometer per hour. So you can find the time. What is the time taken for going? That would be x by 500 hour. You can find the time for coming back. That would be x by 700 hour. So with this, what you can do, you can find the average speed. So what will be your average speed? So your average speed, the average speed in this case would be total distance covered, total distance covered by the total time taken, total distance covered by the total time taken, total distance covered by total time taken. So the total distance covered would be 2x and the total time taken would be x by 500 plus x by 700. So what I can do, I can write as 2x divide by x 1 by 500 plus 1 by 700. So then x and x I can cancel. So this then if you take the LCM of this 500 and 700, you will get is 3500 because both are co-prime number. 5 and 7 are prime numbers. So I hope you understand what is prime number. So then if you solve, divide by this 500, this is 7 and this is 5. So you will get 12. So ultimately I can say that this is 7000 by 12. 7000 by 12, that would be 583.33 kilometer per hour, which is the answer which I told you. So I believe you have gone through the basic discussion on mean calculation where we just did a few problems related to arithmetic mean, which comes normally in exam, and this would make mistake. Whenever you see the problem on average speed calculation, you have to understand that average speed is calculated through harmonic mean. It is not calculated through arithmetic mean. So that is a common mistake what the student do in exam. So if they see this, if they see the problem, that this kind of problem, so they think that okay, average speed would be 600 kilometer per hour. So please don't do such kind of mistake. So either you do mathematically or use statistics. So if you're using statistics, then you have to understand it is following harmonic mean. Okay, fine. So now coming back to the what I need to do in today's class is I'm going to talk about median. So median calculation we're going to do. Median is one of the very important concept from which you can expect question in exam. So from this chapter, the first chapter in your statistics for Bangalore City, if you check, then you'll get either theory question. In numerical, if you get a question, there's a very high chance that the question will come from median only. So when we talk about median, when we are talking about median, median is all about finding the middlemost value. Median is about middlemost value. The calculation of median is all about finding the middlemost value where the extreme values does not impact your calculation. If you do any changes on extremes, uh, it may have impact the mean, but it's not going to impact the median. Okay, so median is all about working on finding the middlemost value. So first I'll talk about raw data. So whenever you have a raw data, what you need to do, you have to arrange the data. So you have a raw data, you have to arrange the data. We have to arrange the data. We have to arrange the data in ascending order. We have to arrange the data in ascending order. So once we arrange the data in the ascending order, once we arranged the data in ascending order, okay, so then the median, then your median is basically n plus 1 by second observation. Your median is basically n plus 1 by second observation. That is what median is all about. First you have to arrange the data in ascending order. Once you have arranged the data in ascending order, then your median is basically n plus 1 by second observation. That is basically is your median. So after median, I'll do quartile, I'll do decile, I'll do percentile, I'll do quintile. So all follow the same logic. Median is all about finding the middlemost data, where you arrange the data in ascending order, and then you apply the formula as a median is equal to n plus 1 by second observation. That will give us the median value. So let's see if we can have some problem where we have raw data like this so that we can talk about the calculation of median. 1 minute. So see, if you see this question number two, if you see the question number two, what is a median? So 5, 8, 6, 9, 11, 4. If I ask you what is a median, so if I ask you what is the median, if I ask you what is the median, so if your data is like this, is 586, your data is 586, data is 586, 911 4, 911 4. This is your data. Your data is 5869114. I am asking you what is the median. What you'll do, you'll arrange the data in ascending order. You'll arrange the data in ascending order. You arrange the data in ascending order. If you arrange the data in ascending order, so then your data will be 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, then 8, 9, 11. So then your data is 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11. Find the number of term. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your n is 6. So you arrange the data in ascending order. See the n. What is your n? So here n is your 6. 1, 2, 3. N is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the n is the total number of data. That is 6. So what is your median? So your median is nothing but that is n plus 1 by second observation. So 6 plus 1 by second observation. What is your n? What is the median? So your median would be 7 by 5th observation. Means your median is 3.5th observation. That is your median. So what is 3.5th observation? So what is 3.5th observation? That is answer is 7. I know the answer is 7, but you would right now you will not able to understand how the answer is 7. So for that, I can tell you the formula that 3.5th observation is either you can say it is third observation plus fourth observation divided by 2. You can either say it like that, or you can say it is third observation plus zero point 0.5 into fourth observation minus third observation. That will give you the median. So 3.5th observation, 3.5th observation. So your third observation is 6 and fourth observation is 8. The third observation is 6. The fourth observation is 8. That is equal to third observation 6 plus zero point 0.5. Fourth observation is 8 minus 6. So your 3.5th observation is basically that is 7, or you can say this is 6 plus zero point 0.5 into 2. That will also give you 7. The median for this question is 7. Median is all about finding the data which is the middlemost value. So for that, you have to arrange the data in ascending order. So whenever we talk about median, median is all about finding the middlemost value by arranging the data in ascending order and then finding out the middlemost value. So let's see this couple of problem which came in exams in previously in many competitive exams. So you can see this question number 10 and 11. Okay, you can see this question number 10 and 11. Interesting question. Question number 10, 11. So you can see this. The median of the following number. Okay, I'm doing first question number 10. So the median of the following number, which are given in ascending order, is 25. Median is 25, and this data is already in ascending order. Okay, this data is already in ascending order. So please understand that x plus 2 would be definitely greater than 19. Please understand x plus 4 would definitely would be greater than x plus 2. So please don't, x cannot be negative. Please understand this part. So this data is in ascending order. This data is in ascending order. This data is in ascending order. And the median for this data is 25. Find the value of x. So this is the question. You have to find the value of x. So how will you find the value of x? That is the question. So what you do in median, you know that first thing what we do in median, we arrange the data in ascending order. Okay, once we arrange the data in ascending order, we count n. What is your n? So n here is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The n is 10. So question number 10, if you see the answer for that, so that answer for 10, n is 10. So the question number n is 10. So what is your median? Median formula is n plus 1 by second observation. That is your median. Okay, so what is your median? So your median would be 10 plus 1 by second observation. Your median would be 11 by 2 observation. Then your median is 11 by 2 observation. Means your median is 5.5 observation. Median is 5.5 observation. Because your median is 5.5 observation, so the value of median, so the 5.5 observation means 5 plus 6 divided by 2 you can do, okay, or you can do 5 plus 0.05 into 6 minus 5. So your median is the arithmetic mean of fifth observation plus sixth observation divided by 2. That is only 5.5 observation, and that is given to you 25. That is given, median is given to you 25. So what is your fifth observation? Fifth observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X plus 2. Sixth observation is x plus 4. So fifth observation is x plus 2. Sixth observation is x plus 4. Divide by 2 equal to 25. That is equal to median. So 2x plus 6 divide by 2 is equal to 25. So 2x plus 6 is equal to 50. 2x is equal to 44. So x is equal to 22. That is the value of x. Clear everyone? Anyone have any doubt? Everyone, if you understood the question number 10, so please try everyone question number 11. You should get the answer 12. Your answer should be 12. You can do by yourself. Question number 11 and 12. You can try question number 11 and 12. That will be your assignment. In case of doubt, let me know. We'll discuss then these questions in next class. So let's discuss the problem where we have the median questions, where we need to solve the question with class interval with frequency. Then we follow the formula. The formula is equal to L plus H by F into sum of F by 2 minus CF. This is the formula we'll use for the median when we have class interval with frequency. Okay, the questions where we have class interval with frequency, we'll use this as a formula. Okay, so now how to understand this formula, how to work on this formula, I'll try to make you understand the implication of this formula by using example. So for example, if I talk about an example, suppose your class interval, something like this given to you, suppose 10 to 20, then 20 to 30, then 30 to 40, then 40 to 50. This is your class interval. And this is your frequency. Suppose your frequency is 15, 9, 21, and 7, something like this. This is the frequency. Now guys, this is the question. Now suppose this is the question. You have to calculate the median. You have to calculate the median. You have to calculate the median for this question. Okay, you have to calculate the median for this question. So if you get the class interval with frequency, and now when you got this class interval with frequency, you have to calculate the median for them. Okay, so what is the first thing you need to do whenever you have to do the median calculation? Whenever you have to do the median calculation, the first thing what you need to do, so you have to write less than class interval. You have to write less than class interval with less than cumulative frequency. So you have to write less than class interval with less than cumulative frequency. So when your data is given like this, then you have to write less than class interval with less than cumulative frequency. So whenever we use less than, we always use upper limit. So here I'll write less than 20. I'll write less than 20. I'll write less than 30, less than 40, less than 40, then less than 50. We'll write less than 50 and cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency for the first that is 15, then for second less than 30 means 15 plus 9. So cumulative frequency for this will be 15 plus 9 means 24. Then the cumulative frequency for less than 40, that would be 24 plus 21, that would be 45. Then a less cumulative frequency for them would be 45 plus 7, that would be 52. So the cumulative frequency is 52. The sum of the data is 52. So once you get this information, okay, this much, anyone have any doubt? Anyone, any doubt this much? So I guess everyone has understood this. So this less than class interval, whatever I wrote, that is not relevant just because we are doing first time. So just for the practice, I'm writing for you people. Otherwise, this does not play any role in the calculation part. So basically, whenever you have to do median calculation, basically, whenever you have to do median calculation, the first thing what you need to determine. So first thing you have to determine is the sum of f by 2. The first thing you have to determine is the sum of f by 2. So the sum of f is, I think, is 52. So first thing you have to determine is the sum of f by 2. So the sum of is 52. So sum of f by 2. So the sum of f by 2, that will be 52 divided by 2, that will be 26. The sum of f by 2, that will be 26. So that will be 26. So sum of f by 2, that will be 26. So the sum of f by 2, I got 26. Okay, everyone. Okay, everyone. So what you need to do? So first thing is to determine sum of f by 2. So you had determined sum of f by 2. Then the second thing what you have to determine. Second thing what you have to determine is what? Second thing you have to determine is the second thing to determine is basically find find the next cumulative frequency, find the value, better value, find the value in the cumulative, in less than cumulative frequency table, find the value in less than cumulative frequency table, which is which is which is greater than which is greater than 26, which is greater than 26. Do this. find the value in less than cumulative frequency, which is greater than 26. So you have to find this. Okay, so you got first thing you got is sum of f. Sum of f is 52. Find sum of f by 2. So sum of f by 2 is 26. In less than cumulative frequency table, find the next value. Find the next value which in find the next value in less than cumulative frequency table, which is greater than 26. So the value is 45. Okay, everyone. So the value what you get is 45. So the value what you get is 45. So you have to find the value. You have to find the value in less than cumulative frequency table. The next value which is greater than the next value which is greater than 26. So the value what you get is 45. Once you get the value which is 45, it means this is the range what you need to figure out. This is the set of data on which you need to work on. So find the next value in less than cumulative frequency table, which is greater than 26. So you got the value as 45. Once you get the value as 45, once you get the value as 45, now what that means? Now once you get this, so this will tell you everything. So now this will tell you everything. Now according to this, you will find the L. What according to this, you will find the L. What is L? L is the lower limit. L is the lower limit of the selected class interval. So L is the lower limit of the selected class interval. So here your L is equal to 30. So the selected class interval that I did with blue color. So your L is 30. Now what is H? H is the height. H is the height of the selected class group, selected class interval. That H is equal to 10. 40 minus 30. Okay, so H by F. What H? L plus H by F. What is F? F is the frequency. F is the frequency. F is the frequency of the selected class interval. F is the frequency of the selected class interval. Here your F is 21. Okay, so L plus H by F. Sum of F by 2, you know. Okay, what is CF? What is CF? CF is the CF is the one cumulative frequency lesser than the selected class interval. That is CF. The CF here is equal to 24. Clear, everyone? I hope you're understanding, guys. See, please understand what is. I hope you understand what is frequency all about. What is frequency all about? Frequency basically talks about the number of values which are repeating. So, if the frequency is 15 or 10 to 20, it means there are 15 values which are between 10 to 20 here. Between 10 to 20, there are 15 values which are there. Okay, so already these values are arranged in ascending order and the number of values is 52 and the number of values is 52. So what is the median? If you apply the median formula, that is n plus 1 by second observation. So that means your median is basically 26.5th observation. Your median is basically your median is basically 26.5th observation. So when you talk about 26.5th observation, where the 26.5th observation will be there, if you count manually, so the counting work is this is doing. So less than cumulative frequency is doing the counting work. So the median is 26.5th observation. Till here 15 observation is done. Then till here 24 observation is done. Median is 26.5th observation. Means definitely your median is somewhere between 30 to 40. I hope you are getting the logic. So because median is 26.5th observation. So your median is somewhere between 30 to 50, 30 to 40. So here you simply apply the formula of median. So the median formula is L plus H by F into sum of F by 2 minus CF. So median, you have to find median is equal to L. What is L? L is the lower limit.
So L is 30. So L is 30. So H is 10. Divide by F. F is a frequency. F is 21. F is 21. F is 21. So F is 21. Sum of F by 2. Sum of F by, so sum of F was 52. Divide by 2 minus CF. C means one cumulative frequency before it. That is 24. So CF is basically one cumulative frequency before it. So the median is basically 30 plus uh, 10 by 21. This is 26 minus 24. Median is basically 30 plus 10 by 21 into 2. So median is basically 30 plus 20 by 21. So median is basically 20 by 21. 30 plus 20 by 21. So you can do that, 20 by 21. So 20 divided by 21. So that is 0.9523. So 30.9523. 30.9523. That is your median value. Clear, everyone? Anyone have any doubt? So I hope you understood the calculation of median whenever the class interval with frequency is given. So let's do one problem so that whatever I have studied, whatever I taught you about mean and median, so that concept will get clear for you. So here, if you see the class interval, that is 5 to 14, you can see this class interval 5 to 14, then 15 to 24, then you can see 25 to 34, 25 to 34, then you have 25 34, then you have 35 to 44, then you have 30 to 44. Okay, then you have 45 to, then you have 45 to 54. Okay, and then you have 55 to 64, then you have 55 to 64. Okay, everyone. So and then your frequency, if you talk about your frequency is 10, 18, 32, then 26, then 14, 10, then 14, and then 10. So okay, so this is the question. Fine, everyone. Find, you have to find the mean and median for this. Okay, do you want to try this question? First you try, then I'll do it. Is that be okay with you all? Can you try this problem? Anyone got the answer for this problem? So in this problem, you have to find the value of mean and median. If you notice in this problem that the class intervals are not continuous, so you have to make it continuous, and then you have to find the mean and median. Anyone got the answer?